Gee, Claire, I sure do love living in this place. That's great, Huggy. I, oh, easy, sleepy. Huh? Oh, sorry for falling asleep. Agreed. I'm so happy we're here. What the heck? Phew, phew. Thanks so much, dog day and catnap. I'm glad